The OXO Good Grips. 6-piece large canister set is a remarkable product that offers practical storage solutions for your kitchen. Designed by the trusted brand OXO, this set includes 3 containers and 3 scoops, providing you with a comprehensive solution for storing dry goods. One of the notable features of this canister set is its durable plastic construction, which ensures long-lasting performance. The use of high-quality plastic also means that the containers are BPA-free, promoting a safe and healthy storage environment for your food items. With a capacity of 4.4 quarts, each container offers ample space to store your kitchen essentials such as flour, sugar, pasta, and more. The transparent design of the containers combined with a clear lid allows you to easily identify the contents at a glance, eliminating the need to open each container to find what you're looking for. What sets the OXO Good Grips 6-piece large canister set apart from other similar products on the market?